Jai Jagannath everyone and welcome back to OS Aspirant. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, why geography is one of the best optional subjects for OPSC OS examination. If you are confused about choosing your optional subject or optional paper, then watch this video till the end. I will explain logically and point by point about what to do and what not to do. First of all, let's understand what the geography optional is all about. It's a subject that deals with both science and social sciences, from physical processes like mountain, river, and climate to human aspects like population, industries, and regional planning. Geography covers it all, and that's what makes it both interesting and scoring itself. To be honest, geography ବହୁତ ସହଜ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା। ତମେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରୁ ଆସୁଛ ତାହା ମାନେ କରେ ନାହିଁ ଏଠାରେ। ତମେ ସାଇନ୍ସରୁ ହୁଅ, କମର୍ସରୁ ହୁଅ, ଆର୍ଟ୍ସରୁ ହୁଅ, ତାହା ମାନେ କରେ ନାହିଁ ତ ଜମାରୁ ଏଠାରେ। ତମେ ଆରାମସେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ। ଆମ ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଯାହା ସବୁ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ହିଁ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବୁ, ଆଉ କିଛି ନୂଆ ନାହିଁ। Let's talk about the first point, why you should geography as your optional. One of the biggest advantage of geography is syllabus overlap. A large portion of geography is already covered in General Studies Paper 1, both in prelims and mains. Topics like Indian geography, environment, disaster management, and even current issues like climate change and all comes under this subject. So when you prepare geography optional, you automatically prepare a big part of GS syllabus too. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଯେତେବେଲେ ତମେ ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ ପ୍ରସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭରୁ ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫି ପଢ଼ୁଥିବ ସେତେବେଲେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକାଲି ତମେ ମେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ବି ପଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛ। ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଲେ ମେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ତମେ ପଢ଼ିବାଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବ ସେତେବେଲେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ତମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଯେ ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫିର କେତେ ବଡ଼ ପୋର୍ସନଟା, ସିଲାବସ୍ର କେତେ ବଡ଼ ପୋର୍ସନଟା ତମେ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି କଭର କରିସାରିଛ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ବିଗ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ scoring potential of geography. As you know that geography is a conceptual subject, if your basics are clear, you can easily write answers that will help you to get more marks. There's a limited need for mugging of facts. It's more about understanding and explaining with examples, maps, and diagrams. A well drawn map can instantly make your answer stand out. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଯେହେତୁ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି ଗୋଟିଏ କନସେପ୍ଚୁଆଲ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ, ତମେ ଯଦି ବେସିକ୍ଟା କ୍ଲିୟର ରଖିବ ତାହେଲେ ଏନ୍ସରଟା ବହୁତ ଇଜିଲି ତମେ ଲେଖିପାରିବ, ଯାହା ତମକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ରଖିବାରେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ। ଏଣ୍ଡ ବହୁତ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ତମକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନାହିଁ। କନସେପ୍ଟଟା କ୍ଲିୟର ରଖିଲ, ତାହାକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ କଲ, ସେତିକିରେ ତମର କାମ ସରିଲା। ଆଉ ଯଦିସ ତମେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ସ, ମ୍ୟାପ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାଇଗ୍ରାମଟା ତମେ ଆଡ୍ କରିଦେଲ ସେଇଠି, ତମକୁ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ମାର୍କ ମିଳିବାରେ କିଏ ତମକୁ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିବନି। Next point is availability of huge number of materials and guidance. Another reason why geography is preferred, it's resource friendly. You will find plenty of standard books, toppers note, and free materials online. Even in Odisha, many coaching institute and mentors guide well for geography optional. So you will never feel lost while preparing for this. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି ପ୍ରିଫର କଲେ ତମକୁ ଷ୍ଟଡି ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନାହିଁ। ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟି ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟଡି ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଅନଲାଇନ୍, ବୋଥ୍ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛି। Next point is link with Odisha and real life understanding. For OPSC, geography is especially useful because it helps you understand Odisha's regional problem like floods, drought, and coastal erosion. When you study these topics, you actually connect your learning with real administrative challenges. That's what makes your preparation more practical and meaningful itself. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି ପଢ଼ିବ ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ପାଇଁ, ସେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ରିଜନାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଲାଇକ୍ ଡ୍ରଟ୍, ଫ୍ଲୋଡ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ କୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଇରୋଜନ୍ସ। ଆଉ ତମେ ନିଜେ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିପାରିବ, ନିଜେ କ'ଣ ଶିଖୁଛ ଆଉ ନିଜେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛ। ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ତମେ ନ୍ୟୁଜରେ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଥିବ ଫ୍ଲୋଡ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, କୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଇରୋଜନ୍ ହେଇ ଚାଲିଛି, କେଉଁ ଜାଗାରେ ଡ୍ରଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଅନାବୃଷ୍ଟି ହେଇଗଲେ ଯୋଉଟାକି ଡ୍ରଟଟା କୁହାଯାଉଛି। ତମେ ଏହାକୁ ତମେ ଠିକ୍ ସେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଓ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବ, ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି ତମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ। Next point is background friendly nature of geography. Geography is one of the few subjects that opens to all backgrounds. Whether you are from science, commerce, or arts, it does not depend any prior specialization to understand it. With consistent study, anyone can master it. अर्थात जियोग्राफी तुमको को स्पेशलाइजेशन मांगुनी कि तुमे एई बैकग्राउंड रू हेइथिले ही तुमे मते बुझी पारिबो, एमती किछि नाही। तुमे आर्ट्स रू हो, साइंस रू हो, कॉमर्स रू हो, किछि प्रॉब्लम नाही। तुमे जदि कंसिस्टेंटली पढिलो, टाइम देलो जियोग्राफी को, तुमे जियोग्राफी को मास्टर करि पारिबो इजीली। Next point is logical and interestingness of geography. It also one of the most interesting subject because logical, visual, and easy to relate with everyday life. Also, you can connect geography with newspapers, current affairs, and real events happening around you. अर्थात जियोग्राफी तुमको दैनंदिन जीवन में जहाँ भी घटुची से सब को रिलेट करि पारिबो तुम जियोग्राफी सहित, और सेथि पाई तुमे आंसर राइटिंग रे बहुत हेल्पफुल हे पारिबो तुम। That's all what I want to say. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to OS Aspirant. Your support keeps us motivated to bring more useful content like this. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.